Welcome to the How To Studio. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a comma at the end of each cell. So in this example, I have some IP addresses and I want to add a comma at the end of each of the cell to separate them. So what I'm going to do is I am going to do equal, and then I am going to click on the cell. Then I'm going to do the and sign, and then I am going to do quotation mark and comma and quotation mark again. This way it will add my comma to the end of the cell. So once I click enter, you can see my comma has been added. And if I want to apply it to the rest of these rows, what I'll do is I'll just drag it to the end. And if I wanted to add not only a comma, but a space behind each of these, I could also do and again, and then I put my space in quotation marks. So it would be space quotation mark, space, quotation. So this way, I would have a space right behind my comma, and I would just drag it down to apply it for each of these records. So that is how you add a comma at the end of each cell. And if you wanted to add a space, you could just add your space as well. And if you wanted to add a semicolon as well, you would just do the same, do and then quotation mark, and then you add your semicolon and your quotation mark again. And as you can see, I now have comma, space, quotation mark, and you can apply it for the rest of your cells. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe and leave a comment. I will see you in the next video.